Okay, so it's 8 AM and I'm on my way to Data8 Ltd today, so we're gonna film them. They've got a big project coming up. They're fitting their Nouveau Essential carpet tile, so I'm gonna go and film them taking their own carpet up and meet everyone there and things like that, and then we're gonna actually go back tomorrow and film them putting the carpet down and stuff. So it should be good. I have no idea what Data8 Ltd do, but here we are. Let's go and find out. See you in a bit. So I've finally got here. I lost my way a few times, but it's all okay. We're finally here. So let's go and take a look. Okay, so I'm finally here and our DCTUK fitters have just arrived to fit a brand new flooring in at Data8 company. They specialise in data validation and I have no idea what that means either, so let's go. Okay, so the flooring fitters are halfway through the job and it's already looking amazing, but we're going to pop back tomorrow and we'll show you the end result. Okay, so it's day 2 at the Data8 carpet fitting, so I'm going to go in and see how they've done so far. So that's it, just 2 days over in Elsmere at Data8. It was 2 huge office spaces and 2 floors up as well, but our fitting service had no problem and done it all within 2 days. So remember, if you want to book our carpet tiles and our fitting service, just go online at DCTUK.com. Data8 had the Nouveau Essential carpet tiles fitted today. But that's all for this case study and we'll see you soon in the next one.